Wednesday's precise and important news. Medical equipment worth 35 million Afghanis was bought for Ataturk Hospital in Kabul. The Ministry of Public Health says medical equipment worth 35 million Afghanis was bought for Ataturk Hospital in Kabul, and 10 health branches of the said hospital have been activated after reconstruction. 700 acres of government land reserved for the parking lot of high-tonnage vehicle. The Transport Department of Nangarhar province built a parking lot for high-tonnage vehicles on 700 acres of government land in the Turkham town of Mandara district. Cash aid distributed to needy families. Cash aid distributed to 300 vulnerable families in Manjigak district of Jozjan province by the NGO of Rural Rehabilitation Association with coordination of Rural Rehabilitation and Development Department of the said province. Salang Pass closed to traffic due to heavy snowfall. The Ministry of Public Works says that the Salang Highway has been closed for traffic due to heavy snowfall and storms. Uruzgan Scholars Council established. Based on a decree of the Amir al-Mu'mineen, the Ulama Council of Uruzgan province was established, says Zabihullah Mujahid, spokesman for Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Electricity import contract renewed with Tajikistan. The electricity import contract for the year of 2023 was signed by Al-Haj Mullah Muhammad Hanif Hamza, CEO of DEBS, and Muhammad Uma Asazada, CEO of National Electricity Corporation of Tajikistan, in the presence of Mullah Abdul Latif Mansour, Minister of Energy and Water of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Dozens of passengers trapped in the Salang crossing were rescued today. Officials of the Department of Preservation and Maintenance of Salang Highway said that they have saved the people stranded at the Salang crossing. These people were trapped in the Salang Pass since 10 a.m. on Wednesday, January 11, due to a severe storm and snow drifts.